Lesson Ceacht, lesson 30, Cúrsaí, Ceoil, which is basically like musical matters. Use Cúrsaí to be affairs or matters and such. So you, there's an expression to ask how you are. Konasta Cúrsaí, how are things?
Oh.
Okay, so Konasta Cúrsaí is the equivalent of how are things, how are matters. Okay?
Can you say Ní féidir liom ceoil a léamh?
Yeah, you can say, yeah. Ní féidir liom ceoil a léamh, I cannot read music. Okay? So, start up with the question, do you have musical ability? To have abilities to do things in Irish, you often just ask, do you have that thing? So, do you have musical ability? You ask, do you have music? And we'll ceoil it.
We'll ceoil it.
And it should not be with an I. So, it should be. I didn't get very far before you had to correct something. We'll ceoil it. C-E-O-L. Okay? And you can ask the same question, do you have Irish? And we'll goil it. Do you know Irish? Okay, literally, do you have Irish? Okay. So we'll ceoil it, the musical ability. Okay? And you want to say you do, you say tá. You could say I sing in a choir. Bím ag canna igor.
Bím ag canna igor.
Okay. Or you can say I'm learning the tin whistle. Time ag folam na fadóig stein. So fadóig stein is tin whistle.
Of the.
Yeah, of the tin whistle. So I'm at the learning of the tin whistle. So na fadóig is of the whistle. Okay. Or I'm learning to play the guitar. Tá ag folam an guitar a chéanam. Okay, so two different ways of saying it. So one is saying I'm learning the tin whistle, and the other is saying I'm learning the guitar to play. And guitar a chéanam. Okay.
So and number 4, that's not the genitive of guitar.
Right. Okay, so you could have done the number 3. You could say time ag folam an adog stein a chéanam. Okay. So the tin whistle is right. Is an adog stein. Okay. Anything that ends in og in Irish is feminine. In o, fada g, or ki og. Okay. Okay. Or if you want to say, no, I don't have any musical ability. Níl ceoil bithagam.
Níl ceoil bithagam.
So literally, I don't have any music at all. Okay. All right. So Vicky, we'll ceoil it.
Níl ceoil bithagam.
Okay. I guess cad foots here we'll ceoil it.
Tá. Is máliom be ag
Shanam.
chéanam má fadóg stein.
Madog stein. Yeah. Madog.
Madóg stein.
Madog is my.
Madóg.
Yeah, and actually, Shanam.
Shanam.
Madoiga.
Madóiga.
Yeah, stein. Right.
Stein.
Okay. Or you can say it's Mario Madog Stein a Hinam. So I like to play my. Okay. Or Ve Igshenam
Yeah.
Madoiga Stein.
That's more like what I said.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I guess Cadfoots Hyain will kill it.
Tá in like Shannon and guitar.
Okay. I guess Tessa fan. Will kill Agatsa.
Níl ceoil
I guess Cadfoots a Chivin will kill it.
Tá ag folam an bára, I think.
Okay. Right. I guess Tessa Vicky will kill it.
Níl ceoil Adams.
Okay. I guess Tessa Verge will kill it.
Tá bheagán ceoil agam ach ní féidir ag a líomh.
Okay. Yeah, Neil man on a live or ni Phaedra lum a live.
Ní féidir liom an a líomh?
No, you can either say so ni féidir lom é lev. So the lom part tells it that it's you that can't do it, or
Neil, May, Inan, oh, Inan.
Nima in on.
A-L-U.
Or actually, there's another one you hear a lot.
You may,
Yes.
you may.
Nima abelta. Yeah,
Able.
yeah, it comes from
Oh,
able. Comes from able. So you'll hear all three of these. Or you can say Neil Lev, or Neil Lev Ceoil Lagam. I don't have the reading of music. We might be a little short on the lessons.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think we
Well, that's not.
might have to share. At least for the duration of the class. Actually, I have an extra of these, so. And if you want to. Have we done? I think we have one. Is this the one? We should have one. We should have one extra. I'll give you this one. Okay. So all three of those mean I can't read it. Okay. It's not possible with me to read. Nume in on elev, I'm not in it to read. Or nume abalta elev, I'm not able it to read. And all three of them mean basically the same thing. Okay. Okay. All right. So, Matthew, we'll kill Augusta.
Neil kill our bishop.
Okay, I guess cut food to Vandy. We'll kill Augusta.
Tá ceol mór agam. Tá an guitar agus banjo agus piano agus fado stein agus organ feel agus a bright bass stein.
Say I'm jealous.
Edagam.
Oh, agus a comic me.
Okay, I guess Kana Agam Freshen. Right?
Is Malia the freshen? Is Malia the
Anmalia, like you want to say, do you
An-
like Anmalia?
Malia the freshen?
Do I like to sing also? So,
Isma. Okay.
Good friends.
economy and Aguirre.
Mhm. Yeah, so Beam and Kana Igor, right? So I sing in the choir. Okay, so that's sort of the next question. Number 6, Anmalia, do you like? So Anmalia Ceacht le Ceoil. You like to listen to music, and you can say yes. I love music. Isma is Bralium Ceoil. Or no, I never listened to it. Nima, Nivi Megesh Lesh Riav. So Nivim, I'm not regularly Ceacht listening, Lesh with it or to it, Riav ever. Okay? So, and we'll pick that up at the next one here. So what's your favorite kind of music? Kensais Ceoil is Farlat. So Sais means type. So what type, Ceoil of music, is Farlat, is best with you or do you like best? Okay? And you can say I like every kind of music. Is Mariam Gach Sais Ceoil? Or you might say I like traditional music. Is Mariam Ceoil Traditionta? Okay.
How do you say hillbilly?
Well, we'll get to some of the other kinds.
We don't
Okay.
have it here.
So a few kinds. So
Colchi.
so classical music is Ceoil Classica. The blues are Gormacha from Gorum, blue. Okay. Ethnic music, Ceoil Etnach. World music, Ceoil Dawanda. Folk music, which might be what you're looking for, Ceoil Tira. Or country music, Ceoil Tuatha. So Tir is country, a country, and tua is like out in the country. Okay, so
Two of them down.
okay, rock music, rock Ceoil.
Right.
You'll see it sometimes written as one word, sometimes separate, or sometimes with a dash. Jazz, snog Ceoil.
Snag Ceoil.
Rap music, rap Ceoil.
Rap Ceoil.
Soul music, anam Ceoil.
Anam
So
Ceoil.
anam is soul. Pop music, pop Ceoil.
Pop Ceoil.
Contemporary, ko amshirha.
Croatia.
So ko is kind of together, and actually it's pretty much the same as English. The ko is the ko comh is the same as the con part in English, and the amshirha is the part of the temporary part of